Every masterpiece begins beneath the earth, where raw iron waits to be transformed into power. Forged in fire, refined under extreme heat, steel becomes the backbone of precision engineering. Flattened with absolute accuracy, every millimeter engineered for strength and perfection. Each panel crafted with flawless geometry, built to fit like a puzzle. Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive.
Advanced liquid cooling, stabilizing performance under extreme demand.
Hand assembled, one engineer, one engine, pure performance. Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence.
Steel transforms into the iconic G-Class silhouette.
Each door engineered for that unmistakable solid close. The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. Fuel tanks and exhaust systems are mounted, completing the vehicle's core functionality.
The naturally aspirated V10 engine begins assembly. Each piston, each crankshaft balanced to perfection.
Every engine is tested under extreme conditions, pushed to its limits before it ever meets the road.
Wiring harnesses are connected, powering every intelligent feature. The body takes shape, bold, box, unmistakable. Protection begins beneath the surface, built to last decades. Layers of perfection begin with precision coating. A nervous system of intelligence runs through the vehicle.
That spike in the power curve is the regulator holding?
Yes, the bypass stabilized it. We are optimal.
here are the keys. Welcome to the family.
I can't believe it's finally mine.